guys, welcome back to my website development tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining you how you can extend your media files, how you can extend your uploading files on your website. Okay, so I can explain you more in depth on the WordPress dashboard. So let's move to WordPress dashboard. Okay guys, so here's our dashboard, here's our WP dashboard. As we go on media session, okay, so if I want to add any media, I'll click on, that's obvious. So you can observe here the maximum file upload is 128 MB. If I want to change this to 1 GB, 2 GB or 100 GB, what we should do? Okay, if I want to upload any video which whose size is 512 MB, sorry. So how I can add this to this? Okay, so it's very simple. Let's go to plugin session, add new plugin, and you just have to install a plugin named as X2. Okay, this will help to get your increase your uploading size. Okay, so this is the plugin which will be downloading. Just install, click on install button. Installation has begun and it has already been installed. Now let's activate this 2x big file uploads. Okay, now my plugin is also installed and activated. Moving on to settings and medias, I have already showed you that we can edit this part as per our uploading. Okay, now my file size is 512. I want to upload I want to have my media file uploading limit as 1 GB. Okay, so for 1 GB I'll be entering 1042 as my maximum uploading size. So let's save the changes. Let's go to media and check whether okay, so now my thing has been excluded to 1 GB. Now I can upload file up till 1 GB. So this is the method. This is the best method how you can exceed your size of uploading, how you can upload file more than the limit of your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you still have any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section.